Welcome back to 𝗏𝗃𝗃 Chronicles, where we explore the most fascinating, unusual, and downright unbelievable things our world has to offer. In today's video, we're diving deep into the ocean, literally. You've probably heard about sharks, dolphins, and maybe even the elusive giant squid. But trust me, today's list is going to feature creatures so bizarre, they seem like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. These mysterious creatures lurk in the darkest depths, far beyond the reach of sunlight or human eyes. Ready to get mind blown? Let's get started. 1. The Gulper Eel. First up is the Gulper Eel, one of the strangest looking creatures in the ocean. Imagine a snake-like fish with an enormous mouth that can inflate like a balloon. The Gulper Eel can swallow prey larger than itself thanks to its elastic jaw. This deep-sea hunter lives more than 6,000 feet below the surface. What's even crazier, its whip-like tail glows in the dark, thanks to bioluminescence, helping it lure in prey. It's a freaky combination of terrifying and ingenious. 2. The Dumbo Octopus. Next on the list is one of the most adorable creatures you'll ever see in the deep sea. The Dumbo Octopus. It gets its name from the ear-like fins on its head that resemble Disney's Dumbo. But don't let the cute looks fool you. This octopus survives in the ocean's harshest environments, at depths of up to 13,000 feet. In this world of crushing pressure and freezing temperatures, Dumbo gracefully glides through the water, proving that even in the darkest depths, beauty exists. 3. The Vampire Squid. From cute to creepy, let's talk about the vampire squid. Don't worry, it's not actually a bloodsucker. This deep-sea dweller got its name because of its red eyes and cloak-like webbing between its arms. But here's where it gets really weird. Instead of hunting, the vampire squid survives by eating marine snow, a mixture of decaying matter that floats down to the ocean floor. In other words, this little guy feasts on the leftovers of the deep. 4. The Blobfish. Next is the creature that's been named the world's ugliest animal, blobfish. Now, before you judge, let me tell you why it looks the way it does. The blobfish lives in the deep sea, where the pressure is so intense that its body has evolved to be gelatinous. This jiggly mass of a fish looks deflated on land, but underwater it's perfectly adapted for survival. The blobfish drifts along, eating whatever happens to pass by, totally unbothered by appearances. 5. The Colossal Squid. You've heard of the giant squid, right? Well, meet its bigger cousin, the colossal squid. This deep-sea giant can grow up to 46 feet long. It's one of the largest and most elusive predators in the ocean. What makes it even more terrifying? Its tentacles have rotating hooks that allow it to latch onto its prey with brutal efficiency. While we don't know much about this mysterious creature, every time we discover more, it only adds to the colossal squid's myth-like status. 6. The Giant Isopod. Now, if you're squeamish about bugs, brace yourself for the Giant Isopod. Picture this, a creature that looks like an overgrown pill bug, but can reach the size of a football. These deep-sea scavengers live in the darkest depths, feeding on whatever carcasses fall to the ocean floor. They've even been known to go months without food. Just think about it. Giant underwater bugs lurking in the shadows, waiting for their next meal. 7. The Frilled Shark. Get ready for a blast from the past. The frilled shark is a living fossil that has been swimming through our oceans for over 80 million years. With its eel-like body and rows of sharp teeth, the frilled shark looks like a creature from prehistoric times. It lurks at depths of 5,000 feet, slowly slithering through the water, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. It's not aggressive towards humans, but just imagine running into one of these while diving. 8. The Anglerfish. If you've ever seen Finding Nemo, you might recognize this next creature, the anglerfish. Found in the abyss, the anglerfish has a glowing lure hanging right in front of its face, which it uses to attract prey. The light it produces comes from bioluminescent bacteria living inside its lure. And when prey gets too close, snap! The anglerfish's sharp teeth and oversized jaws trap its dinner. One fun fact, The males are actually tiny compared to the females and latch onto them for life, surviving as little more than a pair of eyes and reproductive organs. 9. The 𝗲𝗏𝗊 fish. Here's a creature that's straight up alien looking. The 𝗲𝗏𝗊 fish. Its head is completely transparent, and you can literally see its brain. But the weirdest part? Its eyes aren't where you think. They're actually inside its head, facing upwards so it can look for prey above it. This bizarre adaptation helps the 𝗲𝗏𝗊 spot and ambush small creatures in the darkness of the deep ocean. 10. The Yeti Crab. Last but not least is the Yeti Crab. Discovered only recently in 2005, this fuzzy crustacean lives near hydrothermal vents. Its hairy claws contain bacteria that help detoxify the poisonous minerals in its environment, making it one of the most resourceful survivors in the deep sea. The Yeti crab's ability to thrive in such harsh conditions is a testament to the strange and wonderful diversity of ocean life. And there you have it, 10 of the most mysterious, strange, and awe-inspiring creatures lurking in the ocean's depths. Which of these creatures do you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to 𝗏𝗃𝗃 Chronicles, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more mind-blowing top 10s. Until next time, keep exploring the unknown.